Oh, it's gonna be so cold. Good morning. Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you're having a fantastic day. So today is the day we are taking Alfie down to the beach, the sandy beach this time, to let him experience that for the first time. Katie, me and Mum are going, so it should be a really fun day. Taking a penny board with me to the beach. Penny board, picnic, GoPros. We're taking the dog, but for some reason he thinks we're leaving him behind, so we're gonna go for a last minute pee, get the dog, head to the beach.
You've got to get in. Come on then, sit down.
Thank you. Right, so we're down at the beach, just emptying the car. I think I'm going to be glad I brought the penny board with me today. Okay, so I've had a cool idea for a shot of Alfie, so I'm going to set it up now with the GoPro. Okay, so I'm going crazy. Oh, it's gonna be so cold. Woo! That's cold. It's about time to go home now. We're all knackered, so gonna pack everything up and go home.
Like what's up on the streets and kept the bag in my pocket like a rollie. Yeah, I go slowly, but only when I pretend. All these people growing up, they wanna be us. Yeah, got me tripping like a Prius. I don't need...
And we are home. That was really good fun. I am totally knackered, so I'm gonna have a shower, have some dinner, and crash out in bed. Tomorrow I get to see Heather, finally. I'm traveling up there tomorrow, so if you've enjoyed this vlog, please like it, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, leave a comment, let's have a conversation. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.